What we're doing is actually creating devices that hold your entire life. All your favorite artists, it holds your favorite movies, all the pictures that you've taken. Not only that, but it also allows you to communicate with everyone you know.
The high-tech device is getting more complicated. Design is the way to translate into the simple way.
We designers, we are the visual solution provider who get the user's need, business need, technical need, and we come up with a visual solution.
This is our playground. This is basically where we collect all the different materials that we use.
It's leathers, it's fabrics, it's paint, it's things that moves and fake snow, and it's everything in here, which is really can be an inspiration for us.
The traditional way of working with these hard materials, plastic and metal, I mean, they could seem quite dead. What we're trying to do is bring it alive.
例えば店頭に行って私たちの電話を見たときにパッとこう手に取ったらその形からそのインターフェースからあこれソニーエリクソンだねっていうのが分かることがまず大事。
We have a very good reputation in the industry, particularly on the hardware design. So if that is like first period of Sony Ericsson in design history, and then 2010 and 2011 is how we evolve ourselves to the next phase. Particularly in the user interface.
Within human interface design, we create the life, the essence, the sort of the heartbeat inside of the device. The buttons, look and feel of the backgrounds, the typography of the systems that are used within the design layouts, media manipulation, media playback, control, management. Our goal is to make sure that experience that the customers are going to come into contact with their fingers or with their eyes, that it's incredibly easy to use, it's incredibly simple to understand. We continue to drive the minimalistic essence of what we do. And now what we're doing going forward is we're taking that core essence of what we consider to be experience design, and we're applying it globally through all the different design studios with a single uniform vision. My team in particular, we designed the new Soma typeface that is the signature typeface for Sony Ericsson now in all of our user experiences, named after the area that we're in, south of market.
It's really a nice and clean and sophisticated typeface. Still, it's really created to work well on displays and to render really well on interfaces.
We also are working on audio branding. It's almost like creating soundscape in a way, where it's this complete sound paradigm that the user will have as ambient background as they're doing an email or browsing a web page.
We want to create unlimited, infinite experience through the display. You feel like very, very organic, the natural movement as well as like the depth, so that there is no end.
The X10 is a really good example of that ambition behind the design actually working in real life.
The concept of simplicity is there, but it also allows you to go on manual gear, to the max. That full experience, that all-in-one, but yet packaged in a way that is simplified visually and function-wise as well.
It's really about the human curvature and the design by precision and tension. Really emphasizing the curves and also the really beautiful chrome ring that surrounds the product. It really feels good in the hand.
Human curvature ってベーシックなこの横から見た時のこの人のなだらかなボディシェイプみたいな感じっていうのをこのレイチェルのバックサイドにも持っていて、それは同時に単にシェイプが美しいっていうだけじゃなくて、そのシェイプが人の体にフィットする。
The X10 is the first Android device from Sony Ericsson. We didn't want to just take Android straight out of the box, vanilla. We've created a series of signature applications, the first of which is Timescape. Timescape allows social networking systems, Facebook, Twitter, etc., to come down from space, from the cloud, and just land in our device. Everything just comes in chronologically.
Each tile is representing each communication. You can filter the information by Facebook, email, or Twitter, and then even what kind of music you recently listened.
We are working with devices that people can't live without for practical reasons. But I mean, the task is to really create something that you can't live without for emotional reasons.
You design a product and millions of people have this product. You travel then to India and you see this person who's so happy about the foam and you were a part of creating that. That's really, for me, very rewarding.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that this team here within Sony Ericsson is working on. We're going to be looking at how to push these future devices further to create incredibly compelling experiences for our customers.